We're all getting over the shock of finding out that we have to manage our OneDrive storage because limits are going to be imposed by the 1st of August. So the Blended Beat has come up with 4 great ways that you can reduce your storage and manage your OneDrive space. So in this episode, we're going to show you how to see exactly how much OneDrive storage you're actually using. And then we're going to show you how to find those really large files and decide which are duplicates that you can quick and easily get rid of. So first up, we're going to log into office.com work account. Then I'm going to navigate to OneDrive using the ellipses. So first of all, we're wanting to know how much OneDrive storage we are actually using. If you scroll down in the left toolbar, you can see that there's a storage line. I'm using 176 gigabytes at the moment, which is way over the probably imposed limit of about 80 gigabytes. So I've pretty much got to cut my storage use in half. So I'm going to click on the 176 gigabytes. It's a hyperlink, and that takes me straight to my largest files. So you can see first up is a zip file, and if I scroll across, I can see how old it is. So it's a 2020 file. It's 4.6 gigs, and I can also see where it is stored. So if I hover over the location, it tells me where this particular folder is stored. Now, being a zip file, it probably has a matching folder. So I'm storing the zip file online, and I'm storing the extracted folder online. So why do I need both? I need the extracted folder. I don't need this 4.3 gigabytes. So I'm going to click on that one. The next one is also a zip folder. This is a OneDrive download folder. And if I go across, I can see that it's part of a project folder that has assessment videos in it. So I have these videos, I've used them. I don't need the zip folder version. And this is using 3.25 gigabytes of data. So by ticking just these 2 zip folders, I can very quickly get rid of just over 7 gigabytes of data. I still have a long way to go, but this is a first very quick tip and trick that you can use to get rid of files that are very large. So I'm going to go ahead and delete those. The trick though is that my storage hasn't changed yet because those 2 zip files are sitting in my deleted files folder. So the first thing you need to do is go to your recycle bin and empty your recycle bin. And agreeing to it, you have then deleted those very large files. So in a moment, it'll update my storage and reduce it by the 7 gigs that I've just eliminated from my online environment. So that's how you can identify some of your really large folders as zip files that are probably duplicates sitting on your OneDrive taking up space. Next week, we're going to look at folders that you might not even realize are sitting in OneDrive and look at how you're syncing between your desktop and your online spaces. See you then.